Hi, this is Carla with WTI. Now, as a pet owner, we want to make sure that our dogs are smelling nice, fresh, and clean. And I love this soothing dog shampoo from Bobbi Panter. Now, I've been using this brand since Layla was a puppy, and she's 4 years old now. And I totally love this dog shampoo. The soothing dog shampoo is my favorite because it helps to relieve any dryness and irritated skin. So Layla tends to have a bit of allergies on her skin, and I can be assured that this helps to calm it, but at the same time really clean her fur and maintain her fur and skin healthy. One of the main ingredients that it has, for example, tea tree oil, oatmeal, lavender oil, cucumber extract, and aloe vera gel. So it has a very nice natural scent to it, and it's also salt-free, cruelty-free, and I can really get in there and clean Layla, even though our dogs don't love the bath, but we want to make sure that they smell nice and clean, and I totally love this. So after a nice bath, even though it wasn't her favorite part, she smells so good. Her fur is so soft, and she's nice and clean. So if you're looking for a very nice soothing dog shampoo, I highly recommend this one from Bobbi Panter, and that is my point of view.